greens, browns, and everything thrown. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect compost. But Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction, chemical X. Thus, the Compostinator was born using their ultra superpowers. Aiden, Ellery, and Ivan have dedicated their lives to fighting pollution and the forces of evil.
Composting is the natural process of recycling organic matter, such as leaves and food scraps, into a valuable fertilizer that can enrich soil and plants. Anything that grows decomposes eventually. Therefore, composting simply speeds up the process by providing an ideal environment for bacteria, fungi, and other decomposing organisms, such as worms, sawbugs, and nematodes, to do their work. The resulting decomposed matter, which often ends up looking like the fertile garden soil, is called compost, fondly referred to by farmers as black gold. Compost is rich in nutrients and can be used for gardening, horticulture, and agriculture.
The composts are made out of two things, greens and browns. The greens are usually kitchen scraps, animal manure, coffee grounds, basically anything organic matter. The greens also give out nitrogen gas, which is essential for the growth and reproduction. The browns are usually sticks, branches, paper, leaves, and much more. The browns give out carbon gas, which acts as a food for the decomposers. The rule of thumb for home composting is 2 to 4 parts brown material for every 1 part green material. The decomposers also need three other things for decomposing, which is temperature, oxygen, water, and adequate moisture. That's it for now.
So, waste and waste management has given a rise to pressing issues such as policy problems, expensive land prices, and strict environmental regulations, and many, many, many more. These pressing issues has increased operation costs, damages the environment, and also contributes to pollution. A way to curb this problem is by composting. And the Compostinator is a way to grow a habit of composting at home. So make sure you buy this. So our project aims to encourage the habit of reusing, reducing, and recycling amongst Malaysians through composting, indirectly reduce the rate of pollution, and also ease the task of composting. Our vision and mission for this project is to lessen the amount of waste by households in Malaysia and also to encourage the act of composting amongst the Malaysians.
By reducing food waste, composting can reduce greenhouse gases like methane and so on. It also helps with food loss, and food loss contributes to 8 to 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions, while also using land and water resources. In this case, composting mainly targets to reduce the emission of methane gas, which contributes to global warming.
Thank you.